In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure a Notion page with columns, headers, dividers, and toggles. First, open the Notion page where you want to work. In the example you'll see on screen, I'm using a private page, but you can follow along in any workspace or test page you like. Starting on a clean section of the page will make it easier to see what's going on. Click into an empty line where you want your layout to begin. We're going to use Notion's /command to quickly set up columns. Type /col into the line. As you type, Notion will open a small menu of options related to columns. From this list, choose the 3-column layout. The moment you click it, your page will split into 3 vertical sections, ready for you to add content. Now click into the first column to start adding text. This might be a title, a label, or any content you want. Type directly in that first column. When you're done, click into the second column and type there as well. Repeat the same process for the third column. At this point, you should see 3 parallel sections, each with its own text. This kind of layout is perfect for comparing information side by side or grouping related items. Next, we'll add structure above or below these columns using headers and toggles. Click on a new line where you want a section heading. Type /, then start typing header. Choose the heading style you prefer. This gives your section a clear title and makes the page easier to scan. Under that heading, we're going to add a toggle you can open and close. On a new line, type / again and start typing toggle heading. Select the first toggle heading option. This creates a collapsible heading that acts like a section you can expand or hide. Click on it and type a descriptive title, something that tells you what content is inside. Click once more within that toggle to place your cursor inside it. From here, you can type normally, or you can add more blocks by using other / commands. Remember, you can click the small triangle next to the toggle heading to open or close it at any time, which keeps long pages clean and organized. You can repeat this same process to add another toggle heading, more text, or additional structured sections, gradually building a page that's both visually clear and easy to navigate.